Madeline. I am a part of the learning and development team for the APAC region in Marketstar. And in the last 18 years, I've always been passionate about what it takes for people to do better at their job. And in my stint with Marketstar for the last 5 years, I've had the opportunity to work with some fantastic teams that have collaborated, and some leaders that have helped me hone my skills and do better at what I'm doing currently. Well, supporting growth, fostering development have always been the drivers for me to do what I'm doing in my job, and thus positively impacting not just the individuals but also making a difference in the organization. Well, excellence both professionally and personally always has been about setting high standards for yourself. Now, personally, what it means is being the best version of yourself. You're constantly learning and growing, learning from how you're reacting, learning from how you're acting on certain things. It also is about being consistent, being kind and empathetic, and always seeking to do better and improve in various aspects of life. Professionally, excellence means delivering high quality work, demonstrating expertise in what we're doing. You're continuously enhancing your skills, and excellence can only obtain through constantly learning and making a positive impact. It's not just about being dedicated and driven, but I think in every communication that we have with our stakeholders, it needs to display excellence. To cultivate a culture of excellence within the organization, first thing is we must not look at excellence as a goal. I strongly believe it's a shared value, not just with one team, but with across various teams. And this value will guide us and guides us to our actions and decisions that we make every day. It is about being consistent, it is about being timely and disciplined in the way we conduct ourselves. Now, about my team, excellence translates to effective communication, teamwork and collaboration, encouraging communication, and promoting accountability. And all of this can happen through continuous learning and exceeding expectations in every task that we do. I think nurturing talent is one of the driving forces, and that can happen when we are constantly seeking to become masters of our own craft. When you are when we are constantly seeking excellence in what we are doing, we naturally contribute to the growth of the organization. Now, in keeping this in view, the talent development team has come up with some learning programs or roadmaps for every role in the organization that will help them to hone their skills, not just to develop their competencies related to job specific skills, but also how they can become leaders who can empower and amplify others at their job. And about empowering women, we have a community called Women in Business that helps us to exchange best practices, share the metamorphosis that each one of us is going through. Setting up the coaching team in a virtual environment is something that is very close to my heart. And this presented a unique challenge and a significant obstacle because it required innovative thinking and collaborative effort to overcome. Now, introducing coaching in a virtual setting meant reimagining the traditional ways of coaching practices that had to fit in a digital landscape. While the transition posed some challenges, what helped us overcome that is the unwavering support of our leaders and enthusiastic participation from our team members that had gone through this program initially. We were able to spearhead this project successfully, and it has been running effectively for 3 years now. As a learning leader, the most fulfilling aspect of my role is witnessing the growth and the development success of individuals in the organization. Driving organizational success is a key factor. However, the impact that it has on individuals, not just at their job, but to their overall development, is extremely rewarding. This not only helps us create a positive work environment, but helps us to build stronger relationships within work and outside work too. I believe that this contributes to a culture of excellence, not just to the family of Market Star, but as a community.